Hi YouTube, thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe. This video was recorded on October 8th, 2025. And we did the included Viking River Cruise shore excursion, which included a bus tour of the Pest side, and then the bus drove us up the hill on the Buda side. And we decided, once the tour was over, we decided to walk back down the hill across the chain bridge onto our ship, the Viking Vilhjalm. So that's what this video is showing. So if you have any questions about a Viking River cruise or how I recorded this video, please enter them in the comments. Thank you.